This recording is from the British Council.
So for our group project, do you want to start this week?
Yeah, I want to start early so we have enough time.
Me too, but I've got a big maths project too.
How about we meet first to plan what we're going to do? Just for an hour.
Good idea, Cara.
When are you free?
I can always do mornings before 10.
Robert,
I'm sleeping before 10.
Okay, so when are you two free?
Wednesdays are good for me. But not very early, please.
I can't do the mornings on Wednesdays, but I have 3 till 5 free.
I can do 4 o'clock, just before my maths class.
Great, 4 then. Where shall we meet?
The library?
I don't know. The library isn't a good place for a planning meeting as we can't talk in there.
How about the University Cafe? It's near the library. We can talk in there and eat cake.
Cake is good.
Okay, so Wednesday at the cafe. I need to leave at 10 to 5 to go to my maths class.
No problem. Planning will take less than an hour.
Okay, see you Wednesday for cake.
See you, Salim.
This recording is from the British Council. To find more activities to practice your English, visit www.britishcouncil.org/learn English.